Good morning, everyone. I come back in the UK. So today the weather is all right. So the whole July, it's had like about 3 days sunshine. So this is one of them days. So you can be happy, like smile. At least we get a sunny day, and one day is a month. And so today we're heading for a barbecue towards one of the place. It's Northumberland, and we're going for a barbecue. So I'm gonna film this for you guys as well, and hopefully it's gonna be a nice day. Yes, I'm going to the Lidl to get some charcoal and some fresh corn. So there you go, Lidl. I think they got the best charcoal, so quick burner. And I'm gonna get some charcoal and then some fresh corn. Let's see what they got. Yeah, this is one of the best one, and it's $6.49. I think 2 of these will be enough for today. Yeah, so get some charcoal and some fresh corn for today. And this is the best one. So yeah, fresh corn, and we got some kebab ready as well, and it's $1.39 for two. Not bad. Right, 2 bags of charcoal and 10.
Outside.
Oh shoot. Right, okay, I'll just leave it here. Let me try to hold these. Right, 10 pack of 10 packs of corn, multiply by 2, and so it's 20, and then 2 bags of charcoal. It costs you in Lidl £27. Not bad. Towards Northumberland, Hexham, and we're planning to go, do a barbecue. As I bought charcoal and fresh corn, and hopefully the rest of the lads made some marinate some meat, and to get the rest of the stuff obviously we need for a barbecue today. And I'm driving, and we're gonna get there in the next like maybe 20 minutes. So, and after maybe a year we're having a barbecue today. So the weather is like kind of foggy, but it's warm. So, I'm sure we're gonna have a nice day today. Yeah, we just arrived here, so it's kind of like really nice day in this park. So hopefully they're gonna let us to do a barbecue, because a lot of parks in the UK, they wouldn't let you to do a barbecue anymore because of people coming and making a lot of mess and burning the parks and stuff. So they banned a lot of places. So hopefully they're gonna let us to do a barbecue, because I can see people been burning charcoal in there. So hopefully we're going to be allowed to do so. Park behind me, and such a nice day. It's an amazing place as well to be here, and yes, waiting for more friends to come around. Right, we just turned the charcoal on. The fire is a lot of flame coming up. So getting ready for a barbecue. I'm really hungry, as my fat belly is getting hungry. I had no breakfast in the morning, just waiting for a kebab. Look at this, Mr. Big Man is trying to make the charcoal ready as soon as possible. So yeah, hungry. Okay, so we're cooking liver and it's nearly ready. You know, the smoke, a lot of smoke, and as this lad is keep making some more smoke, it's annoying. And so we're gonna eat some. I think this one is ready. I don't know, a lot of you maybe, you know, don't eat this, but it's tasty. Yes, Juma? Yeah, our chicken kebab is ready. A lot of chicken kebabs. And we've got some lamb kebab as well. Steam coming out. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend. How
Hi,
are you
my
doing?
friend.
How's your day?
It's great. It's a nice, beautiful day.
So we're having a barbecue today, yeah?
We're having barbecue.
Who's the
nice,
chef?
chilling
Who's
out,
the
yeah.
chef? Is it him?
Me.
Oh,
He's the chef. I'm
yeah.
head chef. Yeah.
yeah. Actually, you know that liver. He marinate. This big man is marinate the meat. So the liver I eat was really nice. So the chicken is ready. Lamb meat kebab is ready. Chicken kebab. A lot of chicken kebabs. So yeah, hungry. Can't wait to, you know, ready, make
You'd like
all
to
of this
join
ready and eat.
Kebab with us.
Can you find better than these things?
Yeah. Yes, to have a little bit of this chicken kebab.
Enjoy, my friend, enjoy.
Mr. Chef,
Yes.
honestly, it tastes really nice.
Thank you, thank you.
How you marinate it?
Thanks for this kebab.
Afghani style.
Yeah, it's been lovely. Honestly, it's really nice. Nice and soft and tender. As I had an amazing day, and it's been like, honestly, such a beautiful day with friend, and this is Hexham in Northumberland, England, and I'm in one of the like really nice and big golf club, which is like all the way to the bottom, and right around me all the way to the top. So look at this beautiful and amazing place. Honestly, it's been honor being in this place. This golf club, it's called Tyndale Golf Club. It's in Hexham, Northumberland. So a lot of people, I can see like a lot of elderly people just walking with the dog around this place, and it's been such a like really amazing day for me to be like, you know, in this place and experience such a beautiful place. Honestly, I'm thinking I'm in heaven. You know, it's just so pretty, this place. And so yes guys, this is my video for today, and I'm gonna finish off here. So I will see you guys on the next video.